Hey guys, shalom shalom everyone. Welcome to this majestic and magnificent land of Israel. So guys, this is the city of the land. Wow, what a beautiful, amazing place guys. Lovely, really incredibly unbelievable place guys. Enjoy the beauty here and the Holy Land, especially here, this amazing city, the city of the rooster, amazing city of Pilat. As you can see from here guys, that's the beautiful Red Sea. Amazing guys, you can see the land of the Moabites, the beautiful country of Jordan.